It's funny when people ask me about what timetable should I follow for PTE preparation. There is no right answer to it. Every candidate, every student is different. Somebody might be really good in listening section but not as good in reading. Somebody might be really good in speaking section but not in writing. So how can we provide a universal timetable for everyone? So when somebody asks me what timetable should I follow, I always tell them to customize your timetable as per the requirement. You should always start your practice with the read alouds, reading and writing fill in the blanks, write from dictations, and repeat sentences. Now, the number of questions or quantity of questions depends upon your requirement. If you're really good at write from dictations but not as good in reading and writing fill in the blanks, you can always up and down 5 or 6 odd questions in these tasks. You can solve 6 questions more in reading fill in the blanks and lesser in write from dictations. Now, this is the customized approach you must take and adopt while preparing for PTE examination. Alternatively, you can add listening fill in the blanks, highlight incorrect words, reorder paragraphs as a part of these practice sessions.